Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to one of the biggest free trade zones on planet Earth. Over here there are multiple shops. They do sell all kind of products. There are shops for us normal people and there are wholesale shops. Both Chinese manufacturers and foreign manufacturers, they do come here and they put their stalls everywhere to present their products. Here is the Lao Ban in this tour. Thank you for buying my toothbrush here in the free trade zone. If I knew she would buy something for me, I would have asked for wine, coffee, and more. Kai?
超杯一会儿就有。
She doesn't understand what I say. Perfect. And anyway, so there are multiple areas over here that we can explore. And if you want to sell something in China, in the free trade zone, it's called free because there are no taxes. You can import products directly here to Urumqi and sell your authentic illy Italian coffee. Restore Young Multi-Effect. That guy tried it and now he's drunk. Gucci sample hand cream from Germany. Rwandan coffee. Of course they do show the gorilla. And we ended up in an African shop. I'm always wearing the Kenyan bracelet with me. And we do get also the Afghani pavilion. Korean shop, Turkish shop, even the French flag. We don't need to go in such a shop. It's okay. This is why I love traveling in China. You find shops from countries which are not represented globally. Here you can find anything. No prejudice. California, USA. Over the market, they are preparing some video to publish on every possible social media. And the cool thing about this area is that they do live stream products to all over the planet. And to do so, look at this freaking thing and look at this. You have no idea how important is this place here in China because only a few places around the country are allowed to stream their products abroad without a VPN. Everywhere else you need a VPN, but not here. And here you get an examples of some of the products that they do sell online to the entire planet. Do we recognize this couple? Oh my! Guys, this is my new TikTok channel. I'm starting from zero. I had 34,000 subscribers. Now it's only 600. I needed a German SIM card to get monetized in Europe. Italy is not monetized, unfortunately. Here. Endless views. The things you find in such shops. Thank you for all the views from Sri Lanka. Finally, I found one of my favorite stores in Italy, Riscossa, for only $11.90, less than $2. I guess I'm gonna buy one pack and bring it home. If I had to get also some spaghetti. I came here to shoot a video, I ended up buying pasta. Life.